Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create a stove like yeah in the last video we have created a stove, right? So in this video we are going to create a lighter for the stove. Okay, so let's get started. So here I'm just going to create a single part, so let's go for the new directly. Okay, or else like if you need to select the working directory you can select it. Okay, so unclick the default template and here let me just rename this part as yeah LIGHTO. Okay, lighter underscore stop. Okay, let's click on OK here and then our unit SMMN spots, right? ABS. Okay, so now here I'm just going to sketch on my top. So let's go for the top sketch and I'm just going to draw a circle like this and this diameter value that will be 17. Okay, and then let's go for the extrude as a symmetric extrude and I need this extrude length to be a value of 143 and let's go for the shading with edges and okay, it looks good, right? So the next thing here is I need to create some features here. Okay, so for that let me just click on this plane as a front plane. Let's go for the sketch and let's go for the sketch view. So here let me just have this front view here. Okay, so let me just draw a center line like this. So here I'm just going to create a slant out rectangle, yeah, like this, from here till here like this. Okay, so this angle that will be 35 and the next thing is from here till here, so this will be 5. Okay, and then let's increase this value to 7 itself. Okay, so then like yeah, this height this will be 7 and this distance like yeah, this will be 1.5. Okay, so we need to place this as a center, right? So let's click on this to this one value and this to this one value. Okay, anyway, like if we need to change this, this thing will be changed, right? So 3.30 1.94, so 3.30 plus 1.94 and everything will be flipped here. So we just want to divide this by 2. Okay, this will be the center point here. So now let's delete this and this. Now yeah, so sorry, before that I need to draw a circle like the tangent to these edges. Okay, so now let's delete the unwanted segments here and the same here also. So we have completed our sketch, so I need this height to be a value of 7. Okay, and let's go for the extrude and this will be yeah up to this. Okay, and I need to pattern this as an axis pattern. Select this axis and let's enter the number of members as 6 equally spaced and then let's say okay here. So now we got created this feature, right? So one more thing that I need to add a round feature for this top surface. So this round radius that will be a value of 2 and then let's click on OK here. So the next thing here we need to create is like we need to create some sort of like rounded arced edges here. Okay, so for that let me just select this front plane, go for the sketch and let's go for the front view. Okay, I think here we can able to draw a center line like this, so that's fine. And then I need to have some reference for this face, close it. And then the next thing here is I need to create my sketch here, right? So for that I'm just going to draw one line like this and another line with equal constraints and one more line with equal constraints. So this will be 4 and yeah, everything will be changed, right? So dimensions from here till here, this, oops, sorry, I forgot to select, I forgot to click the scroll button, sorry. So this will be 0.5 and from here till here this will be 0.5. Okay, let's check the position. Yeah, this looks fine. And the next thing here is like I need to create some arc features for this up to this. So this I don't have any value for the radius. So instead of that, let me add this value. So this will be 1. Okay. So anyway, like we will use the equal constraint for these, right? Okay. This tangent feature is called okay, like this. Okay. I don't know why this is keep on having like this line feature here. Because yeah, this is fine. Anyway, like we have completed this, and let's click on OK, and now we can go for the revolve. So this is the feature that we are trying to create this. Okay, so yeah, let's click on OK. I think this is fine, or else like one thing that I need to change is I need to increase this height value to 35. Okay, I think this looks really good. So we need to do this 3 edges on this bottom itself, bottom also, right? So set this sorry, front plane, sketch, and as the front view. So let's draw a center line, and then we need to repeat everything which we have done before. Okay, let me just start with the arc like this, and the dimensions like from here till here. This will be 4, 4. Okay, we can't able to change this because we have used some constraints there. Okay, so before that I just want to follow the same which we have done before. Okay, so this will be 4, and the dimensions like okay, I think this got some overlapping features. I think this is fine. So before adjusting the value, I just want to adjust this distance value 0.5, and from here till here this will be also 0.5. So now if we adjust this value, like we may have some the same distance for this. Okay, so I need to add yeah, one more. um, yeah, I think this equal constraints is not working, so let's go for a value of 4. So before that, the distance like from here till here, this will be 0.5, and then this will be 4, and then the next thing here is we need to build an arc for this. Okay, okay, like this, and the dimensions from here till here, this will be 1, and then the next arc is from here till here equal, from here till here equal, and from here. Okay, this tangent feature, yeah, let's keep on coming. So let's go for this edge. Okay, oops. I don't know why this is like yeah, anyway. Okay, so the next thing is let's click on OK, and let's go for the revolve. Okay, it looks good. So the next thing is like we need to create some sweep feature for the handle, right? So we will use this feature for holding this entire lighter, right? So for that yep, so for that let me just select this surface, sketch, and then the sketch view. So for this, yep, um yeah, I just want to draw a line from here till here, and this. Okay, so this entire length, it will be 25. So we need this to be a center, right? So this will be 25 divided by 2, and then I just want to place a point. Oops, sorry, like I have done this wrong. I have to sketch on this plane. Sorry, I'm just forgot about that. Okay, so now we need to have a reference on this because I'm just going to use the sweep feature for this. So let's draw a center line, and then a line from here, yeah, equally spaced, and then this will be 25, and then let's plot a point here and one more point here. So dimensions from here till here, this will be I think this will be 20, and from here till here this will be 20. Okay, so let's draw an arc like this, and from here till here equally equal on both sides. So the dimension like from here till here, so this height will be 5. Okay, so this is our sketch. So now we need to create a sweep feature for this. So let's go for the sweep, sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. So here I need to draw a center rectangle like this. So this width, yeah, I think this will be 2, and this height value that will be 20. Okay, so yep, let's click on OK here. So the next thing here is I need to create some rounded edges on this. So let's select this plane, extrude, and let's go for the sketch view. So here I just want to have a reference on these three, close it, and let's draw yeah, a line from this. So this entire length for the line, that will be 10. Anyway, like this will be 5, and then one more line, um, yeah, on this from here, okay, till here, and this entire length that will be 14, and this will be 7, like 14 divided by 2. Okay, so then one more line from here till here. So now we need to connect all these points into an arc. Okay, so from here, okay, yeah, like this, like perpendicular feature to this line. So then one more arc from here till here, yeah, a tangent feature for this. Okay, tangent. Okay, good. So now let's select this line, control key, this line, mirror towards the center line. Okay, anywhere like this will collapse, I know. So let's undo this operation, like let's go and delete all these, and now let's select this line and this line. I just want to mirror this towards this side, and then let's draw a line and join these two. Okay, and then one more thing, like we need to draw a line like this. So this is our sketch. Okay, so let's select all this, and I just want to mirror this towards opposite side. Okay, so then I don't want this inner feature, right? Yeah, it got two lines. Okay, so this got completed, but I need this to be an extruded feature as a remove material feature. So for that, um, I just want to complete my sketch like this. Okay, so let's click on OK here, and let's go for the remove material, and let's have like this. Okay, this looks good, right? So as you can see, this picture is also got some sketches here. So let's go for the options, blind, and for the blind value I'm just going to drag it up to this. Okay, so then I think this feature is got created. It will be like very good. So let's go for the round, this edge and this edge, control key plus select this edge and this edge. So the round value, I think this will be 5.5, but this will be not a full round feature. As you can see, there is some edges, so I think 5.7. If you go for 5.8, yeah, it looks good. 5.9, it will broke. Okay, so 5.8 is fine. So let's click on OK here, and then I just want to add one more round feature for this edge. Okay, 5.80, and then for this also 5.80. Okay, so the next thing is I need to add a round for this also, and this also. Okay, okay, it looks good. So then either we can try for this also, have a round feature for this. Okay, this looks like a realistic uh, part, right? So let's select this surface and let's go for the extrude. I just want to create one more extrude, like a circular part like this without any constraints. And then this diameter will be 14. Yep, I think this will be, yep, um, yep, 14, fine. So let's click on OK. And I just want to extrude this. Okay, I think this will be very big. I'm not sure, like let's go for the edit this and let's enter a value of 10 itself. Okay, okay, so this extruded value, I don't know the exact value, like let's enter a value of 20. Oops, so let's go for the 30. Okay, and I need to round this edge. This will be 2. Okay, so then I think I have covered up everything. I think this diameter is fine, but I think this will have some um, increased dia. Like let me just edit this. Let's enter this value as 15. Oops, sorry, 12. Okay, okay. So then let me have some look on this. Okay, even though it looks really big, I don't know the exact value, guys. Like I have checked this before, but I'm not sure about this exact value. Okay, so anyway, like this looks really good. So the next thing is like I need to create a hole for this. So let's go for the extrude sketch view, and here I'm just going to draw a line up to this, sorry, a circle up to this reference, and I just want to flip this direction as a remove material feature, and let's go for the front view, and I just want to extrude this up to this face. Okay, anyway, it got some hole feature here. So the next thing is I need to sketch on this face again, and I just want to extrude a circular thing like this, and this will be 6, and let's extrude this to a value of yeah, 15. Okay, so the next thing is I just want to select the same surface again. Let's go for the extrude and the sketch view. Here I'm just want to drawing a circle with a diameter of 4, and then let's click on OK here, and I need this extrude that should meet the top hole, right, because this will produce some flame for the part. Yeah, up to this. Okay, okay, I think I have covered up everything, and I have created all the parts which are all present inside this. Okay, so because I can't able to create like assembly feature, because I can't able to explore what are all the features available in this lighter, so I just have created a part feature here. Okay, so that's all, guys. Like we need to add some appearances for this part. So let's go for the view appearances. It's a dark metallic color for the entire part. Okay, so let's hide all these datum planes and let's go for the shading with reflections. Yep, it looks good. Yeah, let's edit the scene and let's make the floor plane as yeah, sorry, front plane, and yeah, it looks good, right? So let's close this, and you can able to see that we have created our part here. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will upload videos based on Creo and Power BI on a daily basis. And if you are interested in any kind of software for other tutorials, you can comment below so that I will upload videos on based on that. Okay, so that's all, guys. We will see you next video. Until then, bye.